here. Today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about pitcher plants. If you've got fungus gnats or bugs in your house from your plants, you need this plant. He has this little pitcher here, as you can see. Right along the lip there, it's very slippery. All the little fungus gnats fly over here because they want the nectar. They land right on that lip. It's very slippery, they slip, they fall down, and inside, this plant is full of digestive fluids and the plant simply digests the bug. So the thing about pitcher plants is they don't have a strong root system. So lots of people are always asking, when do I transplant? So if you do need to transplant, make sure that you use a soil that is mostly peat moss and use a bit more sphagnum moss.